Hello guys, welcome once again on this platform. So in this video I'll be teaching you guys, or I'll be showing you guys how to download YouTube old version or YouTube older version. So this is how to download it. What you have to know is the reason why people download this app is just because maybe their phone version is not compatible with YouTube update version on Play Store or App Store. So that is the reason why we download YouTube older version. So if you want to download it, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and just scroll and search for Google Chrome. So when you find Google Chrome, just tap on it. So as you can see, this is Google Chrome, so just tap on it. So when you tap on it, you are going to be here. So you tap on the search bar over here at the top, then you type in YouTube, then give a space, old version, or you can type in YouTube older version or YT old version, or you can also add download to it. So you can type in YouTube old version download APK pure. So after that, you are going to see this. So when you find this, just tap on it like this. So when you tap on it, wait for it to load. After that, you're going to see more over here. So you tap on the see more to see all the updates over here. So what you have to do is to, as you can see, we have the versions over here and downloads over here. So let's zoom. So before you download a YouTube older version, what you have to check mostly before downloading the version of YouTube is you have to check the storage and when it was updated. So as you can see, we have the storage here, which is 79.1 megabyte, and this one is 125.5 megabyte. So it's different. So you have to just go through to search for the one that is very low, or the one that has very low megabytes, which can suit your mobile phone if you have low storage. But if you have a lot of storage, you can tap on the one that have a higher storage capacity. Or do you get me? Something like the 130 is very high, and we have 131 over here, which was updated on 9th October 2023, and we also have same over here, which also updated on the 30th September. So I think the first one might be good because it was updated on the 9th October. So you can tap on it. Say if you want that one, you can tap on it like this, and you are going to see this. Then you tap on close. After that, what you have to do is to tap on this download button over here. So it's very important to tap over here on this download button. Just tap on this. I mean the green, but you tap on it, you're going to see this download in progress, and you're going to see this choose where to download. So you can choose to download it on your SD card or your phone storage. And also, if you want to download this, just tap on this download over here in blue. So you tap on the download, and you're going to see this over here. So it says file might be harmful. Yeah, so you have to tap on download anyhow, or download anyway. Yeah, so you tap on it, then after that you're going to see this pop up. So when you see this, just tap on details, and you're going to see it's downloading over here. So that is how to download YouTube older version or YouTube old version. Thanks you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. So after downloading it, you're going to see it like this. Then you tap on it. When you tap on it, you're going to see this open with package installer. Then you tap on just now or just once. Would you get me? Then it will be installed on your phone successfully. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platforms. See you in the next one. Peace.